Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to explain about some of the topics which is present in the second units. Okay, keywords, variables and input-output statements. These are the basics which is present in your Python programming. Okay, the first one is keyword. What is keyword? Anyone aware about the keywords? Keywords are nothing but it's a special meaning words or reserved words. Okay, it has their own purpose. It is reserved for some important purpose. It should not be used for some other purpose. That is called keywords. Keywords means reserved words which is used for some special purpose. Okay, in Python programming there are 33 keywords are there. Okay, for example, some of the keywords are if, else, while, then for, then these are the important keywords. Okay. In these 33 keywords, all the keywords should be written in smaller case. What is smaller case? You have to write in small letter. Okay, you should not write in the capital letter except 3 keywords. The 3 keywords are true. The first letter is caps, right? Then false, then none. Apart from all the 3 things, see, and, break, if, import, return, these all are the keywords. All the keywords should be written in the unique apart from written in the lower case letter apart from these 3. False, true, none. Okay, totally there are 33 keywords are there. It is used for the special purpose in your Python programming. The next one is variables. What is variables? The first video session itself I am telling variables, right? What is variable exactly? Variables are nothing but it is used to store the value. If you want to store the value, we need a variable. Inside the variable only we can able to store the value. Okay, so variables are used to store the values. Okay, see the syntax, or it's used to give the name of the value. See the syntax here. First variable name, you can give any name, but you have to follow some rules and regulations. Okay, variable name equal to value. For example, a equal to 10. A equal to 10. For example, a is the variable and 10 is the value. A is the variable and 10 is the value. Okay, for writing these variable names, you can write any names, but some rules are there. See the rules. The first rule is must start with the alphabet or underscore. Always your variable should start with underscore symbol. Underscore means this dash symbol. Underscore symbol, down dash. Underscore symbol or alphabet. It should not be starts with numbers. It should not be starts with any special symbols. What is special symbols? Ampersand symbol, percentage symbol, and symbol. These all are the special symbols. So always it should be start with the alphabet or underscore. The second rule is it is a case sensitive. Capital A equal to 10. Small a equal to 10. Both the variables names are different. It's a case sensitive. It is one variable. It is considered as another variable. It's a capital A and small a is not same here. It is case sensitive. The third rule of the variable is you should not use any keywords as the variable name. Keywords has a special purpose, special meaning. So we should not use it as a variable name. The third thing is, the fourth rule is it can be of any length. It can be of any length. For a standard purpose, we are using up to 8 characters. But the variable should be used as 8 length. Okay, any length. Then no space, the last rule. No space must be present in between the variable name. So for example, student name, stu name equal to Sam. If you wrote like this, it is wrong. If you wrote like this, it was wrong. Stu name, student name, if you wrote like this as a variable name, it is wrong. No space should be allowed in between the variable name. If you want to write like this, you have to use underscore. So no space should be allowed in between the variables. Now we can see the syntax. Okay, what's the syntax? Variable name equal to value. So any name we can give for the variable name, then right side we have to give the values. We can use any type of data. You can, here I am using integer, then you can give pointed values, you can give strings. Your Python programming is a dynamic programming language. Why it is called as dynamic programming language means, here you no need to specify any data types. You don't need to specify whether it is a integer or float or it is a character or string. Automatically it will find. If it is 10.2 means this variable is considered as a float. If it is 10 means the variable is considered as a integer. Like that automatically it will determines. That's what we call, Python is called as dynamic programming language. Okay, then the another syntax, see here, a1 equal to 30, directly we can give like this. Otherwise variable name equal to, we can pass the expression. What is expression? Combination of operator and operands. What is operator? These symbols. And what are the operands? These values. 5 into 2, 10. 10 will be calculated first because it is inside the bracket. Then 10 plus 3, 13. So here a2 value is 13. Like that you can pass a single value or you can pass here expressions. Okay, and another one way is there, we can pass a value for multiple variable. For example, a equal to b equal to c equal to 10. This is the way we can write in the another way. Okay, so here it is called as multiple variable assignment. For single value, the 10 value is assigned for a as well as b as well as c. This is called as multiple variable assignment. Okay, all of you got it? All of you clear in the variables? The next thing is input statement. What is input statement? Input statement is nothing but we are getting the input from the user. Okay, as a user we want to give the input for the program. For that Python is using only one function called input function. So input function is used to, this is the function name. Input function is used to get the values from the user. Okay, get the input from the user. Okay, see the syntax here. Variable name equal to input. Any variable or any word comes along with open close parenthesis, we say it is a function. That is open close brackets. So variable name equal to, input is the variable name. See here, open close parenthesis is there. So we say it is a function. So this input is a function used to get the input from the user. Okay, so two ways we can able to get the input. The first one is, see the first syntax, variable name a equal to input of. If you write like this, if you wrote the code like this means, always the input will get the input as string. Okay, the input functions always get the input as string. Even though you are giving a number, for example, you are giving 10, it is considered as 10 is also a string. It is in the double quotes. Okay, so input function is used to get the input from the user. Okay, even though if you give a integer, it will consider as a string. If you want to change it as a integer means, you have to add the another line, a equal to int input of. We say it is a typecasting. Whatever input you are getting, it should be converted into integer. Like that we can convert for float also. Okay, we say it is a type conversion. Converting one form of data into another form. What is typecasting? Converting one form of data into another form is called as typecasting. Using input function I am getting the value 10. 10 is a string. Now it is here I am converted as integer. If you want to convert as float means float input of. If you want to convert it as any other data types means list, means we can put list input of. Okay, this is the first way. The second thing is, here I am getting the input, right? I want to give the explanation for which variable I am getting the input. Like that, I want to give the detailed explanation, means I can use this syntax. See here, A equal to input of, here I can give A value or enter A value or enter the B value. Okay, so in the output screen it will give A value. So you can understand you are giving the input for B, A. If it is B means you can give input of enter B value. So in the output screen it will display enter B value. So you will get the description. I am going to enter the B value. I am going to enter the A value, like that. Again, if you want to convert as an integer means B equal to int of input of, then here you can give B value. In both the way you can get the inputs. All of you clear about the input statements? Okay, only one function, input function. Similarly, for printing the outputs, in the Python programming, they are using print function. Only one function is there, that is print. Print function is used to display the output for the program. Okay. So here, for printing also only one function. Any word comes with open close bracket, we say it is a function. So print is the function. Here you have to know two things. Okay. For example, A equal to 10. Print A. Then print double quotes A. And the third, print A equal to comma A. Anyone have the idea about what output you will get? Actually here the A value is 10. Here print A. So what the output here? 10. Why? A is a variable. Inside the variable value 10 is here. A is a variable. Inside the variable 10 was assigned. As you are printing A, your output is 10. All of you got it in the first expression, first statement. The second one is print double quotes A. What is double quotes A? If you want to print anything in the double quotes, okay, you can print anything inside the double quotes, it will be displayed. Here if it is A means it will print A. Here it is AB means it will print AB. Whatever you are printing in the double quotes, it will be displayed as the output. Even though symbols, numbers, anything, 1AB means your output will be 1AB. So if you want to print the variable, then you can use double quotes. Don't get confused. If you want to print the value means you have to give the variable name. Because inside the variable only value 10 is here. If you want to any string, anything which comes under double quotes, it is considered as a string. Anything which comes under enclosed with the double quotes means it says string. That will be get as the output. So don't put double quotes if you want to print the value 10. Then see here, print A equal to. So A equal to is a string. So it will print first A equal to. And what is this? Comma this A. What's the value of A? A is 10. So you will get the output like this. So A equal to is a string and A is a variable. If you print the variable, you will get the value. If you put anything in the double quotes, it will be displayed whatever you put in the print statement. So what are the things we discussed? First, what is keywords? Keywords are reserved words. How many number of keywords? 33 keywords. Then variables, rules, okay. Then input. Input function is used to get the input and output function is used to print the output. I hope you understand these concepts, students. Thank you.